exporting your animation. So all this hard work, we should probably save it, don't you think? So we'll go to File and Save. And let's just call it My Name, Marty, Animated. Now, this is not the file that we want to post on the message board, so all of our classmates can see what we've done. For that, we're going to have to create a GIF. So we'll go to File and Export and Save for Web Legacy. And then from here, it's probably set to JPEG. That's pretty common, but we'll go to the presets and choose GIF 128 dithered. And then we can preview that here as well. And looks good to me. So I'll just press Save. And this is the file that I'm going to want to post in the forum.